Get one. Alright. So this maybe a lot of good like eggs hunting lady of the weekend. I guess he's still doing that. But also I guess someone be like very good to like do a food prank like with the having the baby one that was like last year, something like that. And that was a good prank, and I liked that. And it'd probably be get 80 Fools one again. So, uh, well, I know this wouldn't happen anytime soon, but the actor turned Dita, son of Magneto, kind of dislike him, Aaron Desta, but on the Gen B version, Andre. Well, I think you're gonna see this and almost forever, and it died. But this guy, he was good. Awesome. But and I like some learning facility right now. Middle of the day almost. But this actor died from this motorcycle. And that was shocking that it is. It's this happened. And it's just shocking thing this happened this year now. Is for the co-workers are gonna miss him very much. That's today's film. Keep it in the prison, Junior. See you guys soon.